Boardwalk Advisors, we are a total solution.
Recognize how you're holding on to stress and know when to put it in.
Right there. The reason that you don't want to do that.
Help entrepreneurs really show up more confidently so that they can share their media marketing in a whole new perspective.
So my other client, Karen Jadot, I met in a team networking group.
I simply guide you through to create an action plan to make the changes you wish to make.
I didn't want to work for someone else, and that's why I started MIH Consulting.
And here's your spicy colors now. You are a spicy girl.
Thank you.
You have the power yourself to make a difference. You have the ability, the contact, the networks, the skills. All you have to do is dig deep inside